Python, a programming language born in the late 1980s, has risen to become a cornerstone of modern software development. Its design philosophy, championing code readability through clean syntax and indentation-based structure, has made it a favorite among beginners and seasoned professionals alike. Python's interpreted nature, where code is executed line by line, simplifies the debugging process and promotes rapid development. The language's versatility shines through its support for multiple programming paradigms, object-oriented, procedural, and functional. This flexibility empowers developers to choose the approach that best suits their project's needs. Python's vast standard library, a treasure trove of modules and functions, equips developers with tools for an astonishing array of tasks, from web development and data manipulation to scientific computing and machine learning. Beyond its built-in capabilities, Python's ecosystem thrives on a vibrant community and a rich repository of third-party libraries and frameworks. This collaborative spirit ensures continuous innovation and abundant resources for developers. Python's popularity extends across diverse domains: web applications built with frameworks like Django and Flask, data analysis pipelines powered by libraries like NumPy and Pandas, scientific simulations leveraging tools like SciPy, and artificial intelligence models crafted with frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Python's accessibility, power, and widespread adoption have solidified its position as a foundational language in today's technology landscape, with applications ranging from automating mundane tasks to pushing the boundaries of scientific discovery.